Welcome back to another video. Yeah! Before I begin, let me say this. I have created a Taylor Swift playlist. If you are a fan of Miss Taylor Swift and you like her music and her live and her videos and all of that, and you want to see more of Taylor Swift, then guess what? Let me tell you how to get to the playlist. All you have to do is go to my page, click playlist, under playlist, look for T Swift Reaction. Once you find T Swift Reaction, you'll see all the reaction videos that I have created for Taylor Swift on her live videos, her acoustic videos when she was playing acoustic, her music videos, all of that. All right. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So today, people, we are going to be reacting to Remastered 4K I Know Places Taylor Swift 1989 World Tour EAS channel. Y'all look, look. Taylor, hold on, girl. Let me show y'all how she walking though. But do you see how she's walking? Look at Taylor, Miss Taylor. Taylor, girl. Look at how she walking down this aisle. Look. Ooh. Oh.
We run, just grab my
strut, Taylor. It's a piece in here. I'm gonna see if I can remember it. I think it was at 120 where she did something I like. And then the end, like how she, watch this, y'all. Look, watch this. Give it to him, Taylor. Give it to them, Taylor. Give it to them, Taylor. She gave it to him. She gave it to him, and now y'all got it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead, like the video, share the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.